Hello, my name's Rachel from Leicestershire and Rutland Wildlife Trust, and here with me today is
Zach.
And here's what we're making today, a stick rattle. Please ask an adult to help, as you'll be needing to use tools for this make. The equipment you'll need is a Y-shaped stick. The two top ends need to be 10 centimetres to 15 centimetres apart, and each end about 1 centimetre thick. 6 or more drink bottle tops, plastic or metal, or a mixture of both, whatever you have to hand. A hammer and a nail, a block of wood or a log, thin garden wire and a pair of pliers. And if you don't have wire, don't worry, you could use these instead. A pipe cleaner or string and scissors to cut. I'll be showing you how to use the wire, the pipe cleaner, or the string to make a rattle. You'll also need enough space to work safely. Okay, so next, Zach, we're going to put the holes in. So this is one example that's already been done, yeah? So we've got 5 more of these metal bottle tops, drinks bottle tops. So I'm going to need you to use the hammer. So could you hold that for the moment? And you'll need your nail. Pop it into the middle of your wooden block. And if your adult can hold the nail whilst you can hammer down. Nothing stop. It just needs to be enough to make a hole in the middle. And let's do some more. Yeah. So we're going to just need to estimate how much wire we're going to need. So we'll need enough to wrap around this end and this end. So what do we think about that? If I could pass you the pliers, Zach, you're going to cut it. I'm going to hold my hands out, and if you could, I'll put it between the blades and you're just going to pull down. Oh, you did it. Okay, brilliant. So can you put those down by your side? Handles facing forward and blade facing backwards. That's it. Now, the end of this wire will be a little bit sharp, so just take care, please. So if you leave a little bit of the wire stuck out whilst you hold it, twist it around the stick, like so, and use this extra bit here to twist around like this. So now we're going to thread the bottle tops onto the wire. Okay, so now we've got enough wire on this end to wrap round. So you do the same as you did to attach it, twist it round a few times, depending on how thick your stick is. And with the little piece left over, if you need an adult to help you with this, get it nice and tight, and then you twist the remaining piece around like so. So now for the couple of alternatives I mentioned. You can use string, or alternatively use a pipe cleaner. Plastic bottle tops work just as well. So you're going to make a clove hitch to attach your string to your Y-shaped stick. First make one loop behind and hold it so you've got a cross. And to hold that there, make another loop, the same with the string behind, make a second loop. This loop here is going to be placed on top of the other one. Thread your stick through. You might want another person to help with this. Hold the stick whilst you pull it tight. And your knot looks like this. You can adjust it if you need it. It'll hold your string tight. If you're using plastic bottle tops, it's exactly the same. Just like that. So to affix your string onto your Y-shaped stick, wrap it once, twice around at least. If you've got a bit of extra string, you can do a few more wraps. And try to get it so it's nice and tight. Now you're going to do a couple of knots like this. So it's one loop and pull through, and a second one to just fix it, like so. Here's the pipe cleaner version. Attach it using the same technique we did with the wire. And I use metal bottle tops as I found this made the best sound. Hope you've enjoyed making your bottle top rattle, as we have too. Here's our finished one, the metal tops and wire. And we had string with plastic tops and pipe cleaner and metal tops. Should we have a go? Yeah. There are lots more ideas on the Wildlife Workshop website for making natural musical instruments from natural materials, or just to give you a natural sound.